Hello, it's Eric from ChairAttacks, welcoming you to tax season. Woohoo! Coming to you from the ChairAttacks World headquarters, aka my basement office, where we have a fancy CPA certificate over there and some really sweet artwork from my 4-year-old over there. That's an owl. He's very proud of it. Here to give you a rundown of how to work together this tax season. So first off, here is the web page, ChairAttacks.com. Two important spots on here I put right on the top. One is you can schedule your appointment here. So what this is going to do is going to go ahead and launch another screen. I use a service called Calendly. It gives you availability on my calendar. You can choose your time zone if you're on the West Coast or otherwise. It will accommodate that, so there's never a question of are we meeting at my time or your time. And so I have some evening and weekend times available for you to try to accommodate the best we can. So this will scroll all the way out. You can choose what is best for you. Once you find one that works for you, you click through and it's going to just ask you a few questions. As soon as you schedule it, you can add it to your personal calendar and I will get a notification and will make sure I am there on time. So that's easy. Back to the home page, there's also a button here for the tax season checklist. This is where you go to figure out what documents I need to help you prepare your taxes. So when we go there, it just gives you this long list, and some things may not apply to you, and you can just ignore those, no worries, because there's some personal stuff here, and then if you are a business owner, like a lot of my clients are, you can see some of the items I have here, and if you ever have any questions, you can email me or give me a call. So that is your tax season checklist. Now, the way that you get the documents to me, twofold. One, if you're local, we can meet in person. I always love to do that. Love to connect with people in person. And you can put that information when you actually schedule through the Calendly system. You can actually choose where you'd like to meet. If you would like to give me everything online, which I love, we use a system called ShareFile. And when you go to ChairAttacks.sharefile.com or you just go through the website under client login, it will also direct you to that site. What's going to happen is I will create a folder for you, and it's just like Dropbox. You and I are the only people that have access to it. It's behind a secure system, password protected. You choose the password. I never see that. Your username is your email address always, and this is what it look like. If you're a first-time user, you'll actually get an email from me. Insert your name here, and when I create a folder for you, you'll be able to click through and activate that. It'll ask you for a password upon first login. Super easy, and here's what it's going to look like once you get in there. Whoops, let's see. Let me type in my email address and my password. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like for you. You're going to see a folder with your name on it. Once you click on that folder, there may be multiple folders in here if you're a returning client from previous years, but 2015 tax work means for the 2015 tax year. Don't be confused, as I know it's 2016 now, but the 2015 taxes are what we're preparing. And then I have this handy folder here called Put Your Tax Documents Here. So click there, and notice it's empty right now, but I have prepared a few documents. So this is as if these are your personal documents. So maybe you got a W-2 for you, and maybe for a spouse, and you've got some Goodwill donations. You've got, if you're a business owner, maybe you've got a profit and loss chart here that will give me income and expense information. Maybe you have investments, maybe you own a home, etc. This is a business mileage Excel sheet. I don't care what format it's in. I don't care if you take a photo, like this one is just a photo. What I do love is when you take that and you actually show me, you actually tell me what it is instead of just saying photo 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Receipt for Goodwill donation. You actually describe it. That's majorly helpful for me. So that is all that's to it. Once you have that, you can literally drag and drop into the ShareFile system, and it's going to go ahead and upload everything. So as soon as that is there, I will be able to see it. And as soon as you have everything uploaded to ShareFile, or you hand it to me in person if it's just easier for you to do it that way, you go to the Calendly system through the ChairAttacks homepage, and you make that appointment. Once you have all your documents in there, or you're ready to hand them to me in person, we will get together, we will get your taxes done, we'll get them done right, and we will get you all set for tax season 2015. Thanks so much.